8311 Huxley. So of course we don't really like to do this at night, but it gets dark so early right now, and the time was requested by the occupants. This is an area we are very familiar with though. So remove 2 satellite dishes at the top. Now we're going to head inside. The tenants are home. Again, not ideal, but better than missing out on a potentially good opportunity. Thank you very much. Okay. This is really nice flooring.
Yeah, it's so easy for her to get around.
Oh,
she
that's
had a stroke
nice.
in December.
Okay.
So it's like easy for her to get around.
Sorry. So we have 3 windows here that we'll go ahead and put 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Scrape the tint off. It's a nice light fixture actually. The walls are very close to the color that we like to do. Paint. Oh wait, you know what? Kitchen cabinets will have to be the PM call. Sometimes we remove this light and install something a little more modern. And we might want a space saver microwave above the range. We have a really cute modern fan. 4 blinds in this room. 2 in this room. Maybe a slider. There's no point in me going in the backyard because it's so dark. We might want to get some doors on this laundry area. And there is a change in tile there. We have some really nice stone counters in here. Touch up cabinet paint. A really nice modern fixture. Ooh, whoops, sorry. Okay, so repair anything in the ceiling necessary for fire code. We have a door on the side here, so rekey that. And it looks like there's earthquake straps and a pan on the water heater. Is it okay if I go upstairs? Yep. Okay, I'll be really quick. And these light fixtures match the one in the dining area. Wall paint is in good condition. Carpet looks good. And then we have a change to laminate in the bedroom. So 2 blinds in here. I really like this flooring. Good condition. There's no light. Maybe install a ceiling fan with the light kit. It's about $165. Replace that drain ring is about $65. If they take the shower rod, of course we replace that. Just a little bulging in the tile here. Okay. We have that same laminate flooring in this room. Make sure the closet doors slide open easily. Paint looks good. Flooring looks good. Replace that blind. Same within this room. Very straightforward. Replace the blind. Flooring looks great. Paint looks great as well. So we have tile in the bathroom, which is necessary. And then we have beautiful stone counters. And toilet looks good. Replace the drain ring, $65. Pretty straightforward again. And lastly, there's no light in here either. Replace the closet doors. Wall paint looks good. Get a new blind. Flooring looks good. Okay.